ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ DCEಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. I am Aisha Sultana. Today I am going to present a video on financial decision. Financial decision refers to a process which is responsible for all the decisions related with liabilities and stakeholders' equity of the company as well as the issuance of bonds. It also refers to the decisions concerning financial matters of a business concern. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೆಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ 4 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಷನ್. Financing decision is an important function which a financial manager must perform. It is important to make wise decisions about when, where, and how should a business acquire funds. Funds can be acquired through many ways and channels. Broadly speaking, a correct ratio of an equity and debt has to be maintained. This mix of equity capital and debt is known as firm's capital structure. This already we have discussed in the previous session. A firm tends to benefit most when the market value of the company's share maximizes. This not only is a sign of growth for the market but also maximizes shareholders' wealth. On the other hand, the use of debt affects the risk and return of the shareholders. It is more risky, though it may increase the return on equity funds. A sound financial structure is said to be one which aims at maximizing the shareholders' return with minimum risk. And the next one we have is investment decision. One of the most important finance function is to intelligently allocate capital to long-term asset. This activity is also known as capital budgeting. It is important to allocate capital in those long-term assets so as to get maximum yield in future. Since the future is uncertain, therefore there are difficulties in calculation of expected return. Along with uncertainty comes the risk factor which has to be taken into consideration. This risk factor plays a very important role in calculating the expected return of the prospective investment. Therefore, while considering investment proposal, it is important to take into consideration both expected return and the risk involved. Investment decision not only involves allocating capital to long-term assets but also involves decision of using funds which are obtained by selling those assets which become less profitable and less productive. And the next we have is dividend decision. Earning profit or a positive return is a common aim of all the businesses. But the key function a financial manager performs in case of profitability is to decide whether to distribute all the profit to the shareholders or retain all the profits or distribute part of the profits to the shareholders and retain the other half in the business. It's the financial manager's responsibility to decide an optimum dividend policy which maximizes the market value of the firm. Hence, an optimum dividend payout ratio is to be calculated. It is a common practice to pay regular dividends in case of profitability, and another way is to issue bonus shares to existing shareholders. And the next we have is liquidity decision. It is very important to maintain a liquidity position of a firm to avoid insolvency. Firm's profitability, liquidity, and risk all are associated with the investment in current assets. In order to maintain a trade off between profitability and liquidity, it is important to invest sufficient funds in the current assets. But since current assets do not earn anything for the business, therefore, a proper calculation must be done while investing in current assets. Current asset may be used in times of liquidity problems and also times of insolvency. So these are the decisions to be taken. Thank you.